Hi there, welcome to Browsify. In this video, we'll explore the Fiidom app, an AI-powered dropshipping tool that helps you discover winning products, optimize product descriptions, and suggest the best pricing strategies for your Shopify store. First, let's head to the Shopify App Store and search for the Fiidom app. Once found, click on Install to add it to your store. Once installed, open the app and let's start by discovering winning products. The app provides various filters like sales volume, price range, reviews, and product analytics to help you find the best products to import into your store. Next, let's optimize product content using the AI product description tool. This tool generates optimized descriptions for your products, helping boost your search ranking and improve visibility in search engines. Fiidom also automatically calculates and suggests the optimal pricing for your products, maximizing your sales and profit margins based on market trends and competitor analysis. Finally, Fiidom works seamlessly with platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, Temu, DSers, Spocket, and Ali Orders, so you can manage your products and orders across different platforms effortlessly. And that's it. You've now learned how to discover winning products, optimize descriptions, and set the best pricing strategy with the Fiidom app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips.